Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've done a video. This is a for sale or for trade, because I will trade all these for one reel belt. Depends on what reel belt it really is, because obviously there's 3 handcrafted belts in this lineup. But anyways, I'm not going to do full details of all the belts. This is the unified tag I've had up before. It's leathered by Belt Performance. It's Mike Hamilton's Big Gold. I do have a nameplate for it in my house. The plating isn't perfect. It's one of his better, I think, done plates. It's 4mm thick plate, so it's not like the big bulky 6mm that weigh 1.5 million pounds. Missing some stones. I'll replace them if you buy it. If you want me to do some work on it, I can do that too. I might do a detailed video of that to show what it might need to get done. This is just a little belt that I got off a kid off of YouTube, and you've been using it for a beer pong title. It's an alright belt. There's a legacy style. I don't remember what style this is, but it's got paint on the side plates. I'll remove it all completely, clean it up for you. It's actually not too bad. It's a real heavy little belt. I used to sell WWE European belt. Not much to say about that. ECW, I think it's a 2007 edition. It's got that black paint. I have other belts too that I might be interested in selling. Like I said, I'm just trying to make some more shelf space for me. So, alright guys, if you're interested, send me a message, hit me up, whatever. I'll trade them all as one lot for one real belt. Like I said, depends on what belt it is. We'll sell individually, we'll sell all together. I'm looking at all together for all of them. I'm thinking $1,400, $1,500. Alright guys, let me know.